Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide your view history Google Sheets on computer. So how to hide your view history Google Sheets on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Google Sheets. Just point the cursor to the top left of the screen. There are many choices. Tap this three-line icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. And there are several menu options. Tap on the right side of the text Always your view history after finishing. Tap OK. The function of turning off this feature is that the view history is hidden, providing more privacy when accessing files without being known by others. So that's it, tutorial how to hide your view history Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.